Hi everyone, welcome to 1x Labs. In this video, I'm going to explain you a simple task with Tableau Prep. Okay, so I'm going to use the sample superstore file. So we have used sample superstore file to create many visualizations, dashboards, etc. Right? So in Tableau Prep, let's do an example with sample superstore, a basic example. So here I have the sample superstore data. If you see here, so the data is been splitted across various files. So usually we have superstore data which compromises of all the regions, right? If you see here, so I have a west file separately, east file separately, central file separately, and also for south, if you see, we have 4 files based on the 4 years of data. So now we are just going to combine all these into a single file called Superstore, and we are going to use that in the Tableau desktop. Okay. So first let me click on the connect to data. So first step is connect to data. The second step is cleaning, and the third step, whatever operations we have to do, fourth step we have to output the file and then we have to use it on the desktop. Okay. So first let's combine these south files. Okay. So because central, east, west are the single files, but south we have as 4 separate CSV files. So first let's combine these files. If you see, these 4 files have the same structure. So when the files have the same structure, you can directly go for union. Okay. So let me click on the text file. So we are going to click on the one single CSV file and give open. We have already discussed about the union function, how to do union in Tableau desktop. If you don't know, you can watch my video which is already present in the channel. Okay, so here I have taken one single file. Now since the files has the same structure, we can directly apply the union. So go to the multiple files and click on the wildcard union. So in case of single table, you have to click on the connection button and add all the 4 files, and then you have to drag and drop here. Else you can simply go for the wildcard union and just give the path where we have selected this file. So Tableau will automatically take the path if all the other files are also present in the same folder. Okay. Now if you see all the files it has already taken, I'm just going to give apply. Okay. Now if you see, all these 4 files are merged together. Okay. So now we have files with all those 4 years of data. Okay. You can see the data sample here. You can also adjust the data sample by fixed number of rows. Okay. Or only the sample data, or you can use all the data. Okay. Now let's add the cleanup step. So you can go to the date column. See, we have data from 2015 to 2019. So all these 4 files are added together. Okay. So now you can click here, rename it, or you can click here and also you can rename it. So let's rename this as orders underscore south, because now it's not a 4 year data, right? We have already combined all the 4 files using the union step. So now let me bring in all the other files also. Central, west, the east file is on Excel, so I have to click on the Excel and then I have to bring the Excel file. So now I have all these 4 files. So we are just going to do the basic cleanups and then we are going to union all these files. See, when you want to union the files, the first thing is the file should have the same structure, right? So first we are going to add the basic cleanups and we are going to check whether the files have the same structure. Okay, else you just add a cleanup step for all the files, a simple way to find if it has a same structure. So I have added all the cleanup step, but I have not done any cleaning. Okay, in order to find like what cleaning we have to do, right? So what I'm going to do, I've just added a cleanup step for all the 4 files. Then I'm going to add the union step. I'm just going to add all these files to that union, because our motive is to bring one Superstore file, right? But I'm not sure what are the different values across these files. Only when I'm sure about the different values, then I can change that to make the same structure. So that's why I just added only the cleanup steps and I have added the union here. So now if you see here, when it has the same structure, it should show the colors, the same color across all the things. But if you see here the white, here we have the orange color which is central, blue is south, green is west, purple is east. So this orange color states that in central this product is different across other values in the table. Okay, like that you can see all the mismatching fields. Okay, so now we are going to clean all these one by one. So we don't need this file path, so let me remove this. So first let's see why product is different. Product is different in central from other fields, other files. Let's check on east. We have product name. South, we have product name. West, we have product name. In central, we have only product. So that's why it is showing different for central, right? So now let's go to the cleanup step. Search for the product. Rename this as product name. Okay. So whatever cleanups you do, everything it will be captured in this change window. You can see here. So anytime when you delete this, that change will be undone. Okay. See, we have renamed the field from product to product name. Okay. Now let's go back to union. Okay. So now if you see the next difference, so product name we have corrected. So if you see here, it is showing order year, order month, order day, which is different in again the central part. Okay, you can see the color, the central color. So let's go and check with central again. Order year, order month and order day. If you check with the other files, we have order date. But in central, it is like year, month and day. So that's why it shows difference. Since we know like union, we have to make it to the same structure. So now I'm going to create a calculated field where I'm going to make the order date column using the make date feature function. So here also, like how you do in desktop, right, you can create the calculated column. So we have three inputs, that is our order year, order month, order day. Okay, save. So now I've created order date. Similarly for ship date also. See, it is like year, month and day, no? So create another calculated field for ship date. So use make date function and give the input as ship year, ship month, ship day. Okay, so totally we have made 3 changes in the central, that is renaming the product column, and then we have created order date and ship date from the year, month and day. Now we can remove these fields because we don't have this separate year, month column in the other file. So I am removing the ship year, ship month and ship day. Similarly from order columns also. Okay, you can remove the order year, order month, order day. Okay, so all these changes are captured. Anytime you can undo these changes also. Go back to Union and check for the other differences. So discount is also mismatching in central. So let's see what is discount in other fields. If you see, we have discount. In central it is discounts, and also if you see the type, data type is string. We have to change it to the decimal whole number. And then rename it as discount. Now check for other mismatching fields. So you can click show only mismatched fields. Write discount, which is in green, that is order west. So order west, we have some extra columns with right underscore, which is mismatching with the other file. So I'm going to remove all these duplicate columns which has right underscore. So I'm removing all those columns. Now all those fields which has right underscore is been removed from the west file. Now let's go back to Union. So click on the, if you can see any mismatched fields, region. If you see here, we have east, south and west. Central is missing. Okay, so there is no column called central. So go to the central file, check whether we have region column.
No, we don't have anything called region in central, that's why it's showing error. So create a calculated field for region and just give the value as central. Now let me go back to union again. There is no mismatched field, so all the files are matching now. So now the union we had made the same structure across all the 4 files. Okay, so now you can generate the output. So I'm making a superstore data. So you can save the file as hyper or CSV. Okay, and just give run the flow. Since I already have a copy, it is showing me for replace. So the file is being generated now. So you can go to this particular location and check for today's date. See, Superstore data. Now you can directly connect this data to Tableau and you can start using. Okay, so we had as a 4 separate files which we connected to Tableau Prep, and we have unioned all these files together and generated the final output as a single hyperfile, or you can even generate as a CSV file, and you can use that output in your Tableau desktop. Okay, so have you understood the complete flow? We have connected the files, then we have done all the cleanups whatever we want to do, because we have to have the same structure in order to do a union. Okay, then we generated the output which can be used in the Tableau desktop. Okay, so in the next coming videos I will be showing more functions related to Tableau Prep. Keep watching. Thanks for listening. Thank you. See, again something is different.